Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set your default description to your YouTube videos, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, for you to be able to set default description to your video, make sure you are on your YouTube studio, right? This is my YouTube studio. Now I just want you to click on settings. So once you click on setting, this tab should be opening up. Now click on upload defaults. Now once you click on that, you should see here that you have this description tab right here. So this is a column for your description, and then as you can see, I have all this. So I usually just put my social media links where you can follow me on my social media, and then Kandowa media hashtag, so I don't have to keep on rewriting all this every time I upload, since all this they appear on all my videos, so I don't have to keep on rewriting. That's why I have this in my default. You can edit it and then just add everything on here, and then once you are done, you can just click on save. Let's say if I was to add the how to, let's just say maybe how to hashtag right here. So now you add everything that you need, and then you can just click on save. So you set your default uploads or your default description to your video, so you don't have to keep on rewriting every time you upload it, right? So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.